Everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're ready to dive into the world of online advertising, creating a Google Ads account is your first step. And in today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process of setting up your Google Ads account in 2026. From signing up to configuring your initial settings, by the end, you'll be ready to launch your first campaign with confidence. Now let's get started and follow these few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is to sign up for Google Ads. You're going to visit the ads.google.com website, just like this. And after that, you're going to click on Start Now and sign in with your Google account if you don't have one, or create a new Google account. As you can see, I'm already signed in, so I'm just going to click on Start Now. And after that, you're going to set up your account details. You're going to enter your business name here in this area right here, in this box. Make sure to enter your business name and your website. As you can see, the business name is optional, but the website is mandatory. So you're gonna have to have a website or a URL to copy in this to proceed. Now, after that, you're gonna choose your time zone and currency after you click on next. And the third step is to configure the billing information. You're gonna add your billing details, for example, credit card, bank account, etc., and ensure that your billing country matches your business location. After that, you're going to define your advertising goals. These are all steps in the setting up your business here. So you're going to, Google Ads will ask you about your advertising goals. You're going to click sales, leads, website traffic, brand awareness, and more. You're going to select the goal that aligns best with your business objectives. As for the fifth step is to review and launch. You're going to double check all the information you entered and click on submit and create your account. And you'll get access to your Google Ads dashboard, and you're going to be ready to create campaigns. Make sure to always double check your time zones and currency to avoid reporting issues, and consider using a dedicated business email for account security. And also make sure to set up the two-factor authentication for added security. And there you have it. You're now ready to start advertising with Google Ads in 2026. With your account set up, you can dive into creating campaigns and reaching your audience effectively. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.